What's up everybody, this is Danny and welcome to another episode of Ultimate Smart Home. Today I have partnered with iRobot to continue the smart home combo series with the Roomba S9 Plus smart robot vacuum and the Braava Jet M6 robot mop. You can buy these separately if you want to, but there's a reason why iRobot sells them in bundles. This combo works perfectly together and plays a huge role in keeping this house clean, especially with two kids running around making messes daily. You can also save money by buying them together, so I'll leave a link down below for you so you can check current pricing because you never know when these will go on sale. I've used a ton of robot vacuums in the past, but this experience has been a little bit different and I'll get to that in a second. But if you have time and you want to support the channel, make sure you hit that like button so more people can find and enjoy this video. I really appreciate it and thank you for all the support lately. It's been great. If you're a fan of unboxings, then you get everything that you need to get started and more with the S9 Plus and the Braava Jet M6. You get the clean base for the vacuum and you get a few extra things for maintenance, which is nice, so make sure you don't throw these out. And the M6 comes with everything you need to get started, like various mop attachments and even the cleaning solution, so you'll be able to get started right away. I've been using this combo for about a week now, so I want to share with you my experience so far. At first, when I took this out of the box, I was thrown off by the squared off design in the front, but after watching it work, it totally makes sense because it can get right up to the wall and clean the corners better. Never thought of that before since all the robot vacuums I've ever used have been circular. This is kind of genius. The overall design is well thought out. I love the look of the materials. The hatch is right up where it's easy to get to. There's even a built-in handle so you can easily remove the dustbin. The filter is easy to get to as well. And there's a button that you can hit so you can open the latch to easily dispose, so it doesn't get any easier than that. Well, it actually does because this thing empties the bin on its own. When the S9 Plus redocks after cleaning, the clean base has a compartment area at the top where the bin is emptied into automatically. And this is so much more convenient than emptying it manually every time. Plus, if the S9 Plus gets full during cleaning, it goes back to the dock, empties itself, and continues cleaning, where on other vacuums, you're gonna get that app error that says it couldn't continue the clean. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. And the bag on the clean base is super easy to empty and change. Just pull up on the handle and that's it. You don't have to worry about the dirt going everywhere. I think many people will appreciate this. Another cool thing about the clean base is that they're sold separately and multiple bases are supported. So if you have a 2-story house like I do, you can get an extra base for the upstairs and use the same robot vacuum. So you can definitely save some money if you don't mind carrying the vacuum upstairs when it needs cleaning. If you like easy, then you'll love the iRobot app. The setup on both of these, very intuitive. The app steps you through step by step, and in no time, you'll have these connected to your home Wi-Fi. Once that happens, you'll have full control of these two on a really clean interface. You can switch between the two right here, and the app is really powerful, and I'll break down all of those features in just a little bit. My suggestion is let the S9 Plus and the Braava M6 do a mapping run first. This will be a faster way of getting a map established so you can really start taking advantage of all of the smart features. But you don't have to do that. You can just let it start cleaning right away, but it will take a couple of cleans for that map to be available. The Roomba S9 Plus does a great job as a vacuum. I think most robot vacuum cleaners do the job right now, regardless of price range. But the one thing that I'm really happy about are these robust wheels. My previous robot vacuum got stuck on these chairs at least 75% of the time. It got so annoying that I had to tell the vacuum to not to go there anymore. But the S9 Plus is a boss. It will ramp up and move around and get over those legs. Another big difference for me is in the app experience and the level of control that you have. None of these features are technically new to the segment, but how accessible and easy the customizations are really impressed me. Once you have a map available, this is what I loved. You can rotate the map so you can see it however you want to. This is a small but great detail, especially for me because I want the orientation to be correct when I'm seeing it. Identifying your living space is also simple. Just tap and select or type it in so you can get even more control over the cleaning. The dividers are already placed and are fairly accurate, but if you want to edit or delete them, you can. And you can easily add a keep out zone, which is fantastic. The interface is so simple and you can resize the box as you see fit. And if you need to add specific cleaning zones, you can do that too. So let's say that I want the S9 Plus to clean underneath these chairs after the kids had a snack. You can specifically call it to clean there and then return to the dock after it's finished, which I think is really convenient. And for those of you that have kids or sensitive pets, you do have control on how loud the vacuum is. If you rather do a quiet clean at night, that lower power option is available for you, or you can just customize it however you like it. You can just use the automatic or you can do 1-pass or 2-pass cleaning, so you can make the S9 Plus fit your exact cleaning needs. What I like about these as a combo is the consistency between them. Most of these customizations I showed you with the S9 Plus are also available with the Braava M6. I like the fact that they use separate maps because that ensures you that you're only cleaning the hard surface flooring. Most of my downstairs is tile, so this is perfect for it. I've had no issues so far with the M6 going on the rug at all, and it's a low pile rug, so that's impressive. And I honestly didn't think the Braava M6 would do as well as it does. I have owned a few wet mops in the past, and to be honest, I've given them all away because they never really work well enough for me to use them. But the Braava M6 really does work. It's precise in the way that it cleans, and it's also very quiet, which I appreciate. It's also easy to use as well. Just put the amount of cleaning solution directed in the instructions, just fill the rest with water, and make sure that tank is secured. There are different mop attachments, from washable, reusable ones to single use and even dry mop. And based on the notches on the back here, the M6 knows which attachment is on automatically, and that shows up in the app, so there won't be any surprises. How the S9 Plus and M6 work together is through what iRobot calls imprint link technology, but you get that power right here in the app. What that does is it makes sure the two talk to each other to give you that customized clean. So you can have the S9 Plus vacuum any designated area first, and then when that finishes, the M6 will go out and wet mop, so this ensures the best combo clean possible. And you can also set this up on a schedule, so you can have this combo clean at any time of day, whatever fits your schedule. Well, by now I'm sure you're asking, how do these fit into the smart home? There is a easy to get to smart home tab here. There is Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa integration, so that is the easiest way to tie it into your smart home. And if you use If This Then That, that's another powerful option. And the best thing about it is that you can start cleaning just by voice control. So I have this hooked up to Google Assistant right now. Let me show you. Hey Google, mop the floor. You hear that?
Okay, starting Braava Jet.
Easy as that. And you can also send it home via voice. Hey Google, tell Braava to dock.
Okay, docking Braava Jet.
This is too easy. And I know what you're gonna say. What if I have multiple vacuums in the house? Then just call it by its specific name like I do here. Hey Google, tell Robert to go home.
Okay, docking Robert.
Just like that. There's also an added bonus to smart home that makes automation simple, leveraging the power of If This Then That with location services. So when you leave your house, it will trigger the cleaning process. I have a MyQ enabled garage door opener, so you can also set that up. So when you leave the house and the garage door closes, that can trigger the cleaning cycle. And other options include August, Ecobee, and Leviton. So these are great choices for automation, but you can just add these to your normal routines that you already have set up through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, like the I'm leaving or good night routines. If you want to know how to set these routines up, I can make a separate video on these. They're really, really easy to do. So what do you think about the iRobot S9 Plus and Braava Jet M6? I think it's a solid combo, and I'll continue to use it and give you a long-term review once I've had it longer, but so far so good. I'll more than likely revisit this in an ultimate smart home tour down the line, so make sure you subscribe for more smart home tech videos. For more info on these two, I'll leave a link down below for you if you're interested. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next episode.